Yo, isang napakagandang hapon po sa lahat guys. At ngayong hapon po na ito ay may bago po kaming tuta guys. There he is. There he is guys. Yan po. Nagpapahinga po siya. Yan. So, kukunin po muna natin siya for a while guys. And papagyabang po natin dun sa labas guys. Ito po siya. Yan.
Saan po pumunta si Mama? Saan po pumunta
Yan.
si Mama?
Para sa laruan.
Yan, nag-aabang dito yung mga pinsan ko guys. Yan. There they are guys, my cousins and they requested me to get this puppy from my house to take it here, you know. And this, as you can see guys, Kuya Edmar checking him out.
Loyin niya.
Hey.
Ay, balayan niya.
Show your face to the cam.
Ano meron sa ulo niya?
Where? This? I don't know.
Ayun o. Okay.
No.
Gusto ibo yung color dito.
It just went. Yeah.
Naligo yan?
Yeah. Earlier.
Kulit.
Mama took him a bath. Mama took him a bath earlier. Okay.
Ichuwi. Makunat pala yan eh.
Yan.
Five
So-
little monkey, Humpy Dumpy.
Yan po guys. Kinakantahan po siya ni Kuya Edmar guys. Hey! Take this off on your head.
Subukan nyo
Alright.
tumayo. I wanna be a tutubi, a twinkle star. Howdy, carabody, bat.
Kuya Edmar started playing with him guys. As you can see.
Meow. 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 Stay put lang talaga siya kung paano siya
Hindi siya malikot eh, no?
Sige, pag naglikot ka, kaldero bagsak mo.
And
Babe lang siya.
this is Kenneth guys, and what he does for a living is he's making a vlog, making a daily vlog, you know. Hey, what is
Daily
what is
kabaliwan.
your name on your vlog?
Kenneth Discartin.
Do you already have a YouTube channel?
Ano yun? Gaming yun. YouTube channel ko.
Yun guys, please subscribe on his YouTube channel guys. Kenneth Discarten, that's what his name.
Sa YouTube, ano, mahirap yung pangalan ko dun. ZOXD. ZOXD Place.
Saan ba? Sa YouTube?
Sa YouTube, ayun yung pangalan ko, ZOXD.
So, yun nga po guys.
ZOXD.
ZOXD nga po pala yung pangalan niya sa YouTube. So, Kenneth Discarten lang po pala sa Facebook guys. Sa
Sa gaming sa YouTube. ZOXD.
gaming ano niya guys. Anong tawag nun?
Gaming channel.
Gaming channel niya guys sa Facebook. So, yun, please subscribe on his gaming channel guys, as well as on his YouTube
Facebook.
channel.
Facebook at YouTube.
Guys. And there's
Hindi
Chewy.
sila inaway ng minion ko.
There's Chewy guys.
Dinilaan si Alabang. 2
And-
Alabang. That is Alabang
As you can see guys,
is licking the feet of...
there are
Ang
cats
bigat!
beside him. Yeah.
Cute niya.
Ano po? Tapat mo sa camera. Tapat mo sa camera. Yung bubot. Yan guys. Yan si Chewy guys.
Pinaka-babe na aso sa buong mundo. Ngayon, di gagalaw yan, oh. At anong gawin ko, guys, oh.
And as you can see guys, Chewy's color is brown guys. In Spanish, marron. Marron guys, marron. So, yun nga po guys, dapat ang ipapangalan ko sa kanya, Maron guys, para unique po sana. Pero, I think, Joey is unique enough for him. Yan.
Cute ang taba niya.
Mataba po.
Wait lang.
Bal natin yung camera.
Hindi siya katulad ng...
Nangali na ako.
Ayun, saan lagay mo dyan, no?
And I'm started getting tired guys.
Parang laruan talaga siya. Laruan na may, bakal sa loob. Ilang kilo kaya yun si Chewy?
Yan si Chewy guys, yan si Chewy. This is Chewy guys, this is Chewy. Hey, say hello to the people.
Hello.
Say hello to the viewers, Chewy.
Turuan ka natin yan, umupo yan.
What?
Ano, paglaki niyan, turuan natin paano
Turuan natin siya mga tricks.
Oo.
Guys, Kenneth wants me to teach Chewy some tricks guys.
At meron tayong laging dalang treats para
As Chewy's grow older.
ngayon hindi pa yan kaya.
So far, Chewy's only 2 months old guys.
Provide mo siya.
As per his previous owner, he's only 2 months old.
Cute.
Let's put him on the ground and let him feel the ground. Ayos natin camera. Yan po si Chewy guys. Ano ba sa English siya magalaw? Movie, no?
Hindi, makulit eh.
Naughty,
Oo, naughty.
Chewy
Hindi siya naughty.
Chewy is not too much naughty, guys.
Horny.
No.
Hindi siya naughty, siya ay horny.
No, he's not horny because, you know,
Ay, si
Snoopy is horny
Si Snoopy
because
horny.
Snoopy is already
may anak na yun eh.
pero grande, a big dog, you know.
Babe lang talaga siya. Hindi siya tatayo. Tingnan mo yan. Pabayaan mo lang siya nakaganyan. Hindi yan tatayo.
He doesn't know how to bark yet. He only knows how to cry like.
Ang cute niya.
Chewy! 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 Chewy!
Takot siya pag may
Yan.
Chewy.
Yan si Chewy guys. Yan.
Kita yung sarili niya.
Chewy is our new puppy guys. My brother brought him here. My brother brought him here
Kalmutin ka niyan.
from his workmate guys.
Hindi alam niya labang kasi.
From his workmate's house. His workmate gave Chewy to him.
Gala-gala ka lang dyan.
Chewy! Ano, balik na ba natin?
Balik mo na. Baka lumabas ka.
Chewy! Come here. Let's go back to the crib. Yan guys. I'm gonna take Chewy back to the crib. Yan po si Chewy. Yan. Yan po. Sasakay po ng motor si Chewy guys. Yan po. Sasakay po siya ng brum. Yan. Chewy! Chewy! Yan o, tara na. Balik na. Chewy! Ay, ano? Ayan. Chewy! Let's go.
Bert,
Oh.
Ano ka daw? Picture mo daw yung ID
Yung-
ni Adre. Tapos ano daw sa kanya. Kahit ano daw ang ID.
Bakit nasa ba si Andre?
Hindi ko alam.
Yan po guys si Andre guys. Yung maisig naming tropa dito guys. And as you can see, he has a great body structure guys. Yeah.
Sabi Bert,
Parang ano mo ya.
Saan ba nagpunta si Andre?
hindi ko nga alam eh. Basta, picture mo daw yung ID niya. Kahit anong ID daw.
Barbell?
Send mo daw sa kanya.
Ah, sige ba. Wait lang. So, yan po
Ayun na
guys.
daw,
Almost 10 minutes na po. And mag-11 minutes na po yung video guys. So, dito sa tingin ko po dito na po natin ititigil itong video na to guys. So, ilalapag na po natin si Chewy dito. Kasama ng aso ko guys. Yan. Yan yung aso ko guys. Si Snoopy guys. Yan. Yan po si Snoopy guys. Ano na yan? Nagsiselos po siya kagabi guys. Dahil po may bago na kaming asa. And this is my mother guys. This is my beautiful mother guys.
Para sila ulo.
She just took a bath. And as you can see, she's wrapped with a what you call this? Body towel. She's wrapped with a body towel
Tama na yan.
all around her body. So So hanggang dito na nga lang po guys. So maraming salamat sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa channel ko guys. And sa lahat ng susuporta pa guys. Go lang guys. So hanggang dito na nga lang po. Peace out sa lahat.